Hello pet lovers. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the ultimate solution for your furry friend's travel needs, the 71-inch extra length and 18-inch wide folding pet ramp. This ramp is designed with your pet's comfort in mind, featuring a non-slip gray carpet surface with a loofah-like textured grip that cushions their paws and joints, making it ideal for short-legged, older, or injured dogs. Its extended and wider design ensures a smoother angle for easy access to cars, buggies, or trucks, reducing muscle and joint strains caused by jumping. Constructed from high-grade aluminum with double fastening screws and 5 heavy-duty supporting steel tubes, this sturdy ramp can hold up to 280 pounds while weighing only 16 pounds itself, making it perfect for any breed and versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. When not in use, the ramp folds flat to just 6 inches tall, allowing for easy storage in your car or home without taking up much space. Plus, with our commitment to excellent customer service, we offer free 30-day returns and a 1-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. So, make every journey a fun and safe adventure for you and your pet with our reliable dog ramp. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.